Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So very important that I'm not going to talk a lot in this intro and do this because I have a lot to tell you in the video. So what's going to happen in this intro is I am going to tell you that I'm going to release my holiday collection. I'm trying not to smile so big when I'm so excited. I'm going to show you guys the holiday collection for 2018 and then I'll do a little look with the collection at the end of the video. So that's what's going to happen. Also, there'll be a giveaway in this video. I'm giving away 4 of the bundle boxes, which you'll see what that is in just a second. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel and leave 1 comment down below. That's literally all that you have to do, and you're entered to be one of 4 people that could win. We'll sing the subscribe song, and then we'll jump right in.
Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe!
Okay, let's jump right in. It's time. Oh my god. Time to reveal. I look a little intense because my brows are filled in so dark, but I don't have any eye makeup on, and I feel like it makes me look a little intense, for lack of better words. So just kind of deal with that throughout the video, and then yeah, it'll get better and you'll get used to it, and then I'll do an eye look and everything will come together and you'll be like, okay, she looks fine now. Okay, I can't wait to show you guys, because first I'm going to show you the bundle because I think that this is definitely the most exciting part. Look at my face, glowing rose gold. I think that's definitely the most exciting part of this collection. I don't know how to tie pretty bows, and I opened this one right before because I wanted to make sure everything was in it correctly, but ooh, that bow is ugly. Okay, so this is gonna be a really pretty bow. This fingernail's missing, it's a long story. So the collection is called, let's open it. Girl, let's just open her up like a present. Sleigh Belle, see the B right there? Sleigh Belle. So, like a Southern belle, but she slays. So that's the collection. It's very Laura Lee because this is Laura Lee Los Angeles. The reason this box is like this is because I wanted people to be able to buy a Christmas present for a loved one and just be able to pop it under the tree and you open it like a present. So we designed this box too. Has our little emblem right here. And just so you know, this box is free domestic shipping if you order this, and you're going to get a signed postcard if you order the bundle. You will for sure get a signed postcard. Oh, okay, here she is. See, it opens like a little gift. Isn't the presents beautiful? So the theme this year is rose goldy pink, baby pink. These are shimmery, which I'll show you with a flash in just a second so you can really see how beautiful they are. So what we have is 3 loose highlighters. Hello, we're introducing highlighters into the Laura Lee Los Angeles line. So we have a new product, a new SKU. These are 3 different shades. And oh, girl, the light. Girl, you can't even see. Oh! I'll hold it like this so you can kind of see better. But you get 3 loose highlighters, 3 new liquid lipstick shades, and a 6-pan palette. Specifically did a lot of another mini palette because I knew a lot of big palettes were coming out this year. And I thought it'd be nice to have some variety and beauty. So this one's 19 bucks, 6 gorgeous shades. I cannot wait to show you the shades. And we'll swatch and I'll show you all this. But this is 78 bucks for 7 different products. So 3 highlights, 3 liquid lipsticks, and an eyeshadow palette for 78 bucks. Literally 7 different makeup products for 78 bucks, and you don't even have to wrap it, and you get a signed card, and you'll get free domestic shipping with it. So this is really the steal of the deal. We have put this in this plastic this time, so you could pull, we wouldn't have to glue it in, and you could pull it out of the box, and you could use this box as storage. That was our idea with switching from a foam insert that we did in the past to this plastic one. Also, it makes it a lot easier to pull your product out of. And we even put a really pretty LL in the back of the box, so the box will be decorated once you pulled the plastic out. We really thought it through. I'm telling you, like every detail. You guys wouldn't believe how many little details we're like, okay, do we want this? Do we want that? How will that benefit the customer? 24/7. Let's show you the eyeshadow palette because all this stuff is sold individual as well as we have mini bundles. But let me show you the eyeshadow palette. So it's $19 on its own. It's pink. It kind of matches the Boss Babe Party Animal. So if you have all 3, really amazing. So this palette's called Sleigh Belle. Look at that busted fingernail. Sleigh Belle. Seriously, she's so beautiful. So you get 6 shades, and in this palette, I think it punches like a pow, and also it has some neutral shades in it. So you get a little bit of both worlds with only 6 shades, which is pretty amazing. You get an ivory bone shade called Bright Lights. You get a pretty golden shade called Wish List. You get a really, this color is so pigmented. I'm not kidding, guys. Like, it's intense. But it's called Cherry Chocolate, and it's like a reddish maroon matte shade. You get a shimmer duochrome. It is gold and pink with sparkle called Festive. You get a Christmas green called Wrapped Up, and it also has some sparkle in it. And then you get this really cool, like purple, but yet pewter, but yet silver shade called Jolly. I have not seen this shade barely anywhere. It's a very unique shade, and I was really excited when we made it. And so it's in the palette. So you get some colorful shades. And also, by the way, I was pretty nervous because I showed like sneak peeks of swatches, and everyone was like, girl, I hope there's a green in there. And I was like, oh my God, there's a green. Thank God. I'll be swatching this for you in just a second. Let me just show you the other stuff. Highlighters. These will be sold individual, but also what we thought about is, hey, people need bundles and they need gifts at different price points. So the bundle with everything in it, the Sleigh Bell bundle, is $78, but you could get all 3 highlighters in a bundle, which Sleigh Bell, all 3 loose highlighters are in here. This is $32, so this is a little bit of a less cost. You can wrap this up really cute and also give this a gift, or you can be like me and buy everything for yourself. At Christmas times, I'm always like, yeah, this is a great gift collection, but girl, I'm gonna get it for myself. Also, just a heads up, we have Afterpay on our website now, which means you can buy now and make payments on your product. I know Christmas time gets expensive. It was a huge request, so we looked into it and we ended up getting it on our website. So now we have Afterpay. All 3 in here for $32, or you can get the liquid lipstick bundle with all 3 liquid lipsticks. I'm gonna swatch all these for you in just a second for $38, saving you $10 because they're 16 a piece. These are $14 a piece, so I think that's a pretty good steal for a highlighter. And now I'm gonna swatch each one for you. Sweet and Saucy. So this one's a little bit more pinky. It looks kind of intense pink in the packaging, but just wait till you swatch it. We still have a swatch on our hand. Do you see how it has like that beautiful gold to it? It's like not that intense pink. Do you see the reflective that's gold? And it's extremely blinding. So this one is Sweet and Saucy, honey. Sweet and Saucy. The next one is Sugar and Spice. So another thing, the foam inserts were really hard to get the product out. Now you can pull this out and just pop it right out. Okay, next is Sugar and Spice. Sugar and Spice is like a rose gold color. So it's like, it has like a warm hue to it, but it's very golden. It's really beautiful. So there it is on my finger right there. I'm gonna swatch it over here. Ooh, she's pretty. This one's, oh my God. This one's probably my favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my face in just a second so you can see how it applies on the skin. This is a bronzy one. This is Warm and Toasty. So if you can see, it's like cinnamon, sugary, bronzy, really beautiful. So we're gonna They're seriously what I've been wearing 24/7, and I haven't been able to tell you guys, and now I can wear them all freely that I want. And when you ask what highlighter I have on, I can actually tell you. So next, let's go over the liquid lipstick. So again, the trio, individually they're 16, but you can get all 3 in the trio box for $38, saving you $10. The color I'll show you is Kissmas. This is like a berry color. It's so pretty. I love her. She's super warm. Really, really pretty, and I think this is like a very gorgeous, just spot on holiday color that you could wear on New Year's, you can wear on Christmas morning, you can wear on Thanksgiving. Just a really good holiday color. Next up is Rose Icing. So we are introducing a different liquid lipstick in our collection because this one is shimmer. I don't really live for like super shimmery liquid lipsticks, but this one specifically is really easy wear. And I also like to top the other liquid lipsticks with this one. That's what we did in my photo shoot. We just used this like as a topper on everything because it just looks so good. It almost looked like a highlighter on your lip. Here is Rose Icing. So do you see that shine she has to her? But she has like a pinky rosy color to it too. So it's a neutral but with a little bit of shimmer. Lastly, we have Pouty and Nice. So this one is a warm tone neutral pink. So if you're like, I don't want bright colors and I don't want a shimmer, I want something neutral, we got you covered here. This is a neutral warm tone pink. So I'm actually gonna compare this to Topless because Topless is a cool tone pink, and so you can really tell the difference. Really pretty, matches the collection, and goes really well with the eyeshadow palette as well. Brighter warm tone pink, so you guys can tell the difference between the 2 pink nude shades, which I guess this one's not really a pink nude. It's more of a warmer, intense pink, but I think it's nude enough to where it's not like pink on your lips. Time to swatch this eyeshadow palette. Here is Wish List, which is our ivory bone shade. Bright lights. Don't know why I called it Wish List. My bad. Here is Wish List, which is our shimmery gold shade. Next we have Cherry Chocolate, which is our really warm red color. Then we have Festive, which is kind of our duochromy pink with sparkle. Next we have Wrapped Up, which is our like emerald green shade. Lastly, we have Jolly, which is like our pewter shade. So here are the colors in the palette. You get bright colors, and then you get some neutrals and some warm tones as well. So lots of pigment, really beautiful palette, and now I can't wait to show you a look with it. Don't forget, I'm giving away 4 of these bundles, so all you have to do is subscribe and leave 1 comment down below and you are entered. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply the highlighter, and then I'm gonna do an eye look. I'm gonna apply the pinky shade, which is Sweet and Saucy. Here we go. When I tell you I just can't tolerate, like, guys. That is the pink one. So next I'm gonna do the more rose gold one. Where is she? So the more rose goldy one is Sugar and Spice. So I'm gonna apply that next. Okay, that's so intense and beautiful. These are not subtle highlighters. Like, these are not satiny soft highlighters. Like, girl, these are like... Warm and Toasty is the bronzy highlight. Girl, I'm just gonna add some Warm and Toast. But I'm gonna add some to the Cupid's bow. Into the nose. Highlight to fit. Highlighted to fill. The first shade I already put on my eyelid and I wasn't recording, so I just have like a curse whenever I film reveal videos, so I'm gonna put it on this eye now. But I went in with Cherry Chocolate with an R39 brush. I just applied it into the crease and then softly blended it out. This color can get really intense. It's very pigmented, but it does blend out nice and easy. Next, I'm gonna apply Festive. I'm just gonna pack it on with a flat synthetic brush, which is, by the way, this little pink shade right here is Festive. And I'm just gonna pop this on all over my eyelid. So this look is pretty easy to create. So now I'm going to take a smaller brush, take a little bit of Wish List, and pop it on my brow bone as well as my inner corner. Now I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more Cherry Chocolate, and I'm just gonna intensify that outer corner right there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and drag the red shade on down and around the under eye area, just a little, and I'm using the exact same R39 brush to do this with. Also, I think a really pretty look would be the gold and green all over the lid. I can do a look like that next, or doing the red and gold all over the lid, or smoking out the silver and applying the bone shade to the lid. Like, there's definitely a bazillion different little combinations you can do with this palette. So I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some false lashes, and I'll be right back. For liquid lips, I'm gonna try on all 3. This one is Pouty and Nice. These are kiss proof and they do dry down. We have Rose Icing next. And lastly, we have Kisses. A little bit of highlight on my lip, and I added Sugar and Spice, which was the rose gold highlight, to my lip. Put on highlighter. Okay, we're gonna be done. Okay, so I'll do my next look with the green shade because I know you guys are gonna want to look with that. I just figured I'd show you like my favorite go-to look with the palette first. Girl, let me get this Miami on. But I'm sorry. Hello, holiday. I've arrived. This is the collection. I hope you guys like it. I'm so excited about it. I'm so pleased with it. I think it turned out absolutely amazing. So we have a couple different gift price points, and then the bundle is the main deal here, and then you can get everything individual if you just want a piece or two, like the palette, the highlight, or the liquid lipstick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, enter the giveaway. I'll announce the giveaway winners and all that information in the description box down below, and the end date and everything. I think it's probably going to end on Friday. Hello, this collection launches this Friday. Also, I am going to list down below some wholesalers that are going to be carrying this. So if you live in Australia, Black Swallow is going to have it. If you live in the UK, Beauty Bay is going to have it, so you can knock off those high shipping fees. But just FYI to you guys, they're not going to have it on Friday. We're literally getting it in our warehouse like right now, which they have to bubble wrap. They have to prepare all the packages to go out for launch date. So they're going to ship out ASAP, but we have to ship this massive orders over to the countries. So it takes a minute for them to get it, so they'll launch it as soon as they can get it, and Beauty Bay will have everything back in stock as well. We've already shipped them their order of stuff, so that is coming to you as well. Just a heads up, if you live in Australia or in the UK, don't pay the high shipping fees and order off my website. Check out Beauty Bay, check out Black Swallow. They're amazing. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the support of my brand. Can someone comment down below if they have a Cas pajamas? Because that was like the first bread and butter brand, the first launch we ever did. And now we're on launch number 4 now. Yeah, we're on launch number 4 now. It's so exciting. My dreams are coming true, and this has just been such an amazing ride with you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here, and just stay tuned for another look with Slay Bill.